Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious donuts. First, ensure all your ingredients are ready. Begin by activating 1 packet of active dry yeast in 1/2 cup of warm milk, adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. In a separate large bowl, combine 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 large eggs. Mix these ingredients well. After mixing, knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once risen, gently roll out the dough on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter to create your donut shapes. Now, let's fry these beauties. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 2 or 3 donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon. While your donuts are still warm, it's time to glaze them. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk until smooth. You can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Place them on a wire rack to allow the glaze to set. Enjoy your delicious, homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.